I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video, and today we are reviewing the Google Meet app, which formerly was known as Google Hangout. Now, this is a free app to download, and you can use Google Meet for free until September 30th. After that, the free version is going to be really limited, and you're going to have to pay for better features. So I just am recording my screen right now, and honestly, I'm not loving this video quality of what I look like. I think that it's like really confused with like how bright my face is and dark my background is, which is something I like to have that contrast. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna do new meeting, and we're gonna be able to see this is the link and the phone number for people to join our meeting. We'll have all the attendees are gonna show up underneath my name. And then if we click this middle button, we can see where you can, do the instant messages to everyone in like the group chat. If you go to the info button, again, you can share the info so you know where you're supposed to go for the meeting. Now, big thing though, I'm recording this using an app for screen recordings. I'm not recording it within the Google Meet app itself. That is something you can only do on the computer version. You can't do it mobile. Kind of a pain. Now, the biggest thing I wanted to try out with this, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit closed caption. I think this is huge. All right. This is a great way to broaden and get accessibility for your meetings, for people in your business, and just to be more inclusive. So usually I type up my own closed captioning for my videos when I post them. So right now I'm just trying the one that, the Google Live closed captioning. I think it's looking relatively good. It's keeping up with me speaking rather fast and me not knowing what I want to say next. So I think this looks really great. Again, I don't really like the video quality itself. I think it's really confused with my background and with where I am, which I haven't had trouble with other, video recording softwares. So I think this is kind of like the very limited look at the new Google Meet app. Again, it is free until September 30th, 2020. So take a good look at it, see if it's something you would like to use, but just remember that you can't record on the mobile, and also you need to log in with a Google account to use the mobile app. On the computer, you don't need a Google account to join a meeting, but you definitely do if you want to use the mobile app. So those are my quick little review of this app, and we'll look into more features later.